5 seconds to go. Start. Leave granted. The instant appeal by special leave challenges the final judgment and order dated 2nd November 2017 passed by learned division bench of the Rajasthan High Court in DB Special Appeal Writ number 1029 of 2006, whereby the appeal preferred by the appellant questioning the legality and validity of the judgment dated 21st July 2006 passed by learned single judge of the Rajasthan High Court in SB Civil Writ Petition number 1587 of 1993 was dismissed. For the sake of convenience, the parties shall be referred to by their rank in the Revenue Court. In order to appreciate the controversy involved in the matter in the proper perspective, it would be beneficial to reproduce the genealogical table pedigree of the families of the parties. The core question of law involved in this appeal is as to the right of the plaintiff Kailash Chand, being legal heir of Hindu widow Shrimati Nand Kanwarbai, to enforce her right of succession in the unpartitioned joint Hindu family property by virtue of Section 14(1) of the Hindu Succession Act 1956, hereinafter being referred to as Succession Act, by filing a suit in the Revenue Court. Few facts most germane and relevant to the issue are required to be extracted from the chronology of dates and events. The suit property was owned by Kishan Lal, who had two sons, namely Mangi Lal and Madho Lal. Madho Lal was married to Shrimati Nand Kanwar Bai. Mangi Lal had a son, Kanwar Lal. Mangi Lal died in the year 1912, whereas Madho Lal died issueless in 1929. Shrimati Nand Kanwar Bai claims to have adopted plaintiff Kailash Chand on 12th June 1959, that is nearly after 30 years from the date of death of Madho Lal. Kanwar Lal had executed a will of the entire unpartitioned estate in favour of defendant Mukat Lal, appellant herein, on 9th February 1949. Shri Kanwar Lal passed away in the year 1954. Thus, the suit property devolved upon defendant Mukat Lal under the will executed by late Shri Kanwar Lal. Shri Nand Kanwar Bai, widow of late Madho Lal, filed a civil suit number 11 of 1958 seeking a declaration of title and possession over the suit property, contending that the property in question was a joint Hindu family property and that the will allegedly executed by late Kanwar Lal was illegal. It was further contended in the suit that defendant Mukat Lal was not entitled to any share in the HUF property by virtue of the will. The civil court dismissed the said suit vide judgment and decree dated 21st May 1959, while recognizing the right of Shrimati Nand Kanwar Bai only to the extent of receiving maintenance from the suit property. Shrimati Nand Kanwar Bai did not challenge the said judgment any further. However, defendant Mukat Lal, on attaining majority, preferred an appeal against the judgment dated 21st May 1959, which was allowed by the learned senior civil judge, while judgment dated 9th February 1968 and the judgment and decree passed by the civil court in favour of Shrimati Nand Kanwar Bai to the extent of the right to receive maintenance from the suit property was set aside. Being aggrieved, Shrimati Nand Kanwar Bai preferred a second appeal number 347 of 1968 before the learned single judge of Rajasthan High Court. Stop.